this video I'm going to show you how to create a reflection in Canva. This is great to really build your design skills, to really master Canva and learn new design techniques so you can enhance your skills, and then these techniques can help you be more creative and create different interesting designs. Also, once you learn this, you'll be able to solve problems, because the more you learn about Canva, you're gonna have an easy time designing stuff, because you have all the tools. You're already familiar with all the Canva tools. Now you just have to practice basically, but it's just gonna help you to solve problems. Which I mean, when you create a design, you have to ask yourself, what I have to put this, where I have to put this, what's the hierarchy, asking yourself questions, see how you position elements. Anyhow, that's what I'm gonna show you. That's what I'm gonna show you in this video, how to create a reflection. So let's jump right into this video, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Now I'm gonna have to go to here, create a design. This is for an Instagram post, square, and I have this page here. So I'm just gonna go now to element here. I'm gonna grab a picture, and it's gonna be a dog for me. So look for a picture, and I'm gonna click on, I can go to photos here, can look for a picture with a dog, and I can grab this one. Or actually, instead of this dog, I'm actually gonna look for a truck, let's say. Photos, and here we have a couple of photos of the truck, so I'm gonna grab this one. Then we're gonna go to edit photo, and we're gonna click on background remover. It's going to remove the background very fast. Now we're gonna have to go to apps, and here in apps, so maybe you didn't know, but Canva, inside Canva we also have a section called apps, where you can look for some apps that's gonna solve you some problems. Let's say, for instance, we have a app that's going to create QR codes, or is going to create some gradients. So there are a bunch of apps that are really nice. So there is an app actually for reflection. It's called Easy Reflection. Now you just click on the first result here, and you click on open, and now you click on create reflection. Here you see position, above, left, right. You'll see below, of course, offset. You have some offset here. I like to add some offset, and opacity, of course, to about 30, and add to design now. And here we have now this reflect. We can move it. I'm going to move it like this, like so, and I'm going to increase the resolution just a little bit, and I see this here now. And now I can layer, and I can send this back. Okay, now you even go to a photo, and here in adjust, I can increase the shadow, I can increase the contrast, saturation, clarity, sharpness. And now I have this reflection effect. You can add this to so many things. Let's try now for something else. Let's try for maybe a sport car. And here photos, let's look for image. This one looks nice. All right, now I'm gonna go to edit photo, and then background remover. Now remove the background super fast. We're gonna go to apps, and here easy reflection, search for, and then we're gonna have to click on, so easy reflection, I just deleted that. Now, so easy reflection, and now please click on the first result here, and now let's click on create a reflection. We have this car here. We can add some offset. Let's try now without offset, and click on add to design. Now we have this reflection here. Let's position it. Okay, let's check from this side. Let's actually zoom out a little bit. And now to decrease the opacity, because we're gonna have to decrease the opacity 100%, we're gonna have to go here, transparency, and just drag this. As you can see, it decreases the opacity. And now you can add here some reflection graphics, or to make this better, we can add some, look for some shadow. And right here, we can add some shadow, something like this. Now we can duplicate this and just change a little bit the side. And now, of course, this we can send this behind. You can just click on the car and send this in front. You can use control. I use actually the control plus open square bracket, or you can use from here as well, send back. But you can see here the shortcuts as well. That's where I said control plus square bracket, open square bracket, or for close to send back. And now we have our reflection, but let's add some background. So we're gonna look for, we can search here, a dark background, and let's look for one. We can set this as the background, and here we have our image. Now if you want, we can try for this background. With this background we can try a different image. So maybe now we can try with the dog I just showed you at the beginning. So let's try with this actually, but it's not really that okay. Let's try with this actually. Let's go to photo, remove background. It's gonna take some time here because there's some parts, as you can see here, there's not, you can't see the legs exactly. So yeah, let's see how it will work. Select element and add to design. So partially it worked, not partially, actually it worked, but you know, it's just that the video, just that the reference. Now put this in front and drag this over. We can now maybe change a little bit. Now we can also change the transparency a little bit like so, and we can add some light. Look, even this one works, depends now. This is just too much right now. If you want to click on here, position, here you have layers, so you can check all your layers. We can also here see layers, bring in front, link, duplicate, or paste. Anyway, I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching. I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day.